guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have 10 glitches to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, first up, I want to go ahead and give you guys a heads up that I did upload the new Dollar General clearance markdown and penny list video yesterday, and we do have some new markdowns that start on Monday. So if you guys missed out on watching that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, I do want to go ahead and give you all a heads up. I will be skipping over quite a few of these coupons, but I will still be showing y'all, what I am clipping to my account. We just have so many coupons to cover today, and we have so many glitches to get to, and I don't want this video to be too long. So just make sure that you stick around and come back for the good deals and glitch list video. I will be including some of the deals that we don't cover in this video in the next video, okay? Alright, so jumping right in, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Moving on down, we have a 3 off 1 for the Tide products. These are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.95. Next up, we have the 3 off 2 for the Creston Oral-B products. If you want to pick up the Pro Health toothpaste found in your regular toothpaste aisle, those are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.70 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1, and it is also working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So we are starting off this week on a good note. Next up, we have a 4 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste. This does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $3 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. Next up, we have a buy one get one free coupon on the Airwick products. Now, this coupon does work on a lot of the different Airwick products, and it is buy one, get one for free. So if you pick up one at $6, after the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. Alright, next up, 150 off 1 for the Finish products. So if you want to pick up the 12 count dishwasher tablets, those are $3.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Crest mouthwash. So if you want to pick up the 1 liter bottles, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. However, this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the travel sized Crest mouthwash. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have a 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 8 count mega rolls, those are priced at $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Next up, $2.30 off 1 for the Febreze Air Effects. So these are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents. And I did take a little sneak peek at our inserts that are coming out in today's newspapers. So we should have a Save insert and a Smart Source insert. And I've noticed that a lot of the P&G coupons are starting to come out in that Save insert. We have a 5 off 3 for the Pantene products. We have a 2 off 1 for the Swiffer products. So these start out at $5.50. There's different ones that y'all can choose from. The mopping cloth refills, the Swiffer duster starter kits. So after the coupon, you are going to pay $3.50. Next up, 50 cents off 1 for the Mr. Clean products. So if you want to pick up the 3 count magic erasers, those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 1 count Mr. Clean magic erasers found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Alright, next up, we've got a 150 off 1 for the Dove body wash. These are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6. And keep in mind, we still have that 2 off 9 Dove DG store coupon. I'm going to pass on the 1 off 1 for the Pantene products because we do have that higher value 3 off 1. We've got 2 off 1 for the Aquaphor, 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl Lash Blast, 2 off 1 for the Secret. That's just a double up coupon there. Dr. Scholl's Always True Living bath tissue, 2 off 1 for the Pepsi or Mountain Dew Zero 12 packs. So these are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. And we do have a little deal that you guys can stack with that 3 off 2 Pepsi DG store coupon. If you haven't used that already, you can pick up one of the Pepsi Mountain Dew 12 packs at $6.95, one of the Lay's dips at $2.30. After both of those coupons are applied, you're going to pay $4.25 for 2. Next up, 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. The 2-count eyeliners are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We've got Nivea, Gatorade, Head and Shoulders. Go ahead and clip all of those. We have Fix-A-Dent, Huggies wipes. 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. So those are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. 25 cents off for the Puffs tissue cubes. Now those are priced at $1.70 this week, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.45. I'm going to pass on this 50-cent off one Head and Shoulders because we do have that higher value 3 off too. We have a 1 off 1 for the Dial body wash. Those are priced at $3.65. After the coupon you're going to pay $2.65, and this one is glitching and it is working on the travel size Dial body wash. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.25. Moving on down, we've got a 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrients. Now, these are pretty pricey at $8 each. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the trial or travel size of the Pantene Nutrients Rose Scented Shampoos and Conditioners. Now, I know this is definitely a hard find, but keep an eye out in those clearance sections. You just never know until you start looking. You might run across them. So these are priced at $2.25. If you can find 2, use this coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 50 cents in overage. Alright, moving on down. 3 off 2 for the Vino Advil Nature's Valley. 2 off 1 for the Huggies diapers. These start out at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. We're going to go ahead and clip all of these to our accounts. We've got Depends. Now, if you clip that 3 off 1 for the Tide, you might want to leave this 2 off 1 alone. I'm going to pass on that one. We've got 25 cents off for the Fabuloso Ajax. There's a lot of other cleaning products included with this one as well. The lowest priced item we have is on the 25-ounce Ajax dish soap. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Alright, we've got Quaker Chewy Bars, 1 off 1 for the Cascade Rinse Aid, 5 off 3 for the Olay. Now, if you want to pick up the body wash, those start out at $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $16 for 3. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 3-count Olay bar soaps. Those are priced at $4.25, so pick up 3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75 for 3. 75 cents off for the Dove bar soaps. Those are priced at $7.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. Went ahead and clipped all of these to my account. We need to talk about this 5 off 3 for the Old Spice products. Now, if you want to pick up the deodorants, those start out at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13.75 for 3. However, this coupon is glitching, and this is going to be a really good glitch for a lot of people. So, this is working on the travel-sized deodorants. They're priced at $1.25 each. So, pick up 3. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.25 in overage. So that is really exciting. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Microban sprays. Those start out at $6, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. Now for the Oral-B and the Fix-A-Dent, both of these coupons are 1 off 1. Keep in mind that that higher value 3 off 2 Creston Oral-B coupon does work on the Fix-A-Dent and the Oral-B floss products. So I'm going to pass on clipping these for now anyways. And we're going to move on down. We've got 3 off 1 for the Always Discreet products. So if you want to pick up the 30 count, those are priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We've got 5 off 3 for the Secret Deodorant. We've got 2 off 1 for the Olay Skincare, 2 off 1 for the Bayer Aspirin or Cortison HBP products. So the Cortison 10 count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We've got Secret Clinical, Philips, Olay Body Wash, 2 off 1 for the Fix-A-Dent Twin, Triple, or Quad packs. So this coupon is actually glitching, and it is working on the single box of Fix-A-Dent Plus Precision. Those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We did get a new Gain DG store coupon. It is a 5 off 30, and that will expire next Saturday. We've got 2 off 1 for the Love's diapers. Those are priced at $8, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. Alright, next up, we have a DG store coupon for buy one of the Kit Kat, Hershey's, or Reese's Big Valentine's Day Hearts and get one of the king size candy bars for free. So basically, you're going to pay $5.50 for both products. So go ahead and clip that. We're going to go ahead and clip all of these DG store coupons because we can always stack those with manufacturers. We got 50 cents off one for these Suave deodorants. So these start out at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 1.4 ounce deodorants. Those are priced at $1.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 85 cents. Moving on down, we've got a 2 off one for the Mucinex. If you can find the 4 count, those are priced at $4.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. Then we have a 1 off one for the Dawn Power Wash. So if you want to pick up the refills, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Then we also received a 2 off one for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Those are priced at $6 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Then we also have a $2.30 off one for the Febreze plug-in warmers. Now these are on sale this week for $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents. So great deal there. Alright, next up, we've got a 2 off one for the Sparkle paper towels. If you want to pick up the 6 count double rolls, those are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Then we have a 25 cent off one for the Bounty paper towels. So if you want to pick up the 6 count Bounty Essentials, those are priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Bounty 1 count paper towels for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. We've got Charmin and Nivea. We have a 5 off one for the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. This is a really good coupon. These are priced at $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. However, be aware that you may have a lower value 3 off 1 coupon on your account for this product. Then we have a 3 off one for the Downy and Gain fabric softener, 1 off 2 for the Cheez-Its, and I do believe that wraps up all of our new Dollar General digital coupons. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but before you all go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is completely free. Y'all want to know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you